As a culture, we need to stop saying this about a fraction. There's a lot going on in the world right now, but saying 5/4 is improper, that just builds kids up into thinking totally wrong about fractions in general. It's a terrible belief. Am I coming on too strong here? 5/4 is just a fraction greater than 1. And really, quite often in algebra and beyond, fractions written in this form, even with a greater numerator than denominator, is vital in continuing working with your equations. Just a small example of how using a variant fraction can really be helpful when computing. So if you have 5 1/4 minus 3/4, traditionally we're taught to multiply and get just fractions. So 4 times 5 is 20 pieces plus one more. Oops, I got that wrong. There's 21 pieces out of 4. 21/4 minus 3/4, that's 18/4. But I would argue and tell my kids that you can just think about 5 1/4 as 4 and 5/4, because you can take out one group of 5 and make it 4/4 and tack it on to 1/4, and then subtract, and you get 4 and 2/4. Because any young kid should understand, if they learn from my program, that 5/4 minus 3/4 is 2/4. And up here, that unlogical kid is going to sit there and think, this is 18 divided by 4, so I need to do a long division. Then I need to think, how many groups of 4 can I get out of 1, and blah, blah, blah. And that's very inefficient. I'm already done. Could this be 4.5? Of course. There's lots of danger in making kids not great mathematical thinkers when talking about improper fractions. Like here, traditionally you'd be taught to do 8 times 11 plus 3 and get 91/8 minus 21/4, then find the common denominator of 8, and that becomes super laborious and error prone. A kid under my tutelage would just recognize that 1/4 is equivalent to 2/8, and 3/8 is more than 2/8, so that equals 1/8, and 11 minus 5 is 6. Done. Criticizing traditional math or math teachers, but there are many ways to get the right answers that should make a lot more sense to minds. Have a great day.